What's up, guys, and welcome to this video. In today's video, we are going shoe sourcing. I got a call a couple days ago, yesterday or the day before yesterday, about picking up some shoes from a thrift store where I recently sourced. And they took down my phone number and my name, and they said, we'll call you if we get any shoes in stock. So they called me either yesterday or the day before, and I said, cool, I'll be in there on Wednesday to take advantage of the military discount. They said, cool, and so that's where we're headed. Today is not a one-hit wonder thrift video. With that being said, let's roll. Just wanted to give a quick update on the one-hit wonder challenge. A few videos ago, I will link that video up above, I bought this skateboard. It's a medium size, not quite a long board, but a medium sized board, a cruising board. I bought it from Goodwill for $20 just a few videos ago. And over the weekend, while I was out of town, it sold for $109. That's including shipping. So we sold it for $60 plus 40 shipping. I don't think it's gonna take 40 bucks to ship. I'll let you know that in just a moment whenever I get it packaged up and shipping printed. However, just wanted to update you on this, that the item did sell. I'm super pumped about it. And the guy messaged me and was saying that he had been looking for this exact board for a long time. He used to have it as a kid. And so super pumped to be able to fulfill this order and help someone find the item that they've been looking for. All right, guys, jumping into the thrift, grabbing a cart. I saw these two golf bags here, both brand new with tags, but they had priced them at like $70 and $75 each. They weren't even worth that brand new. They were off-brand. Jumping over to the men's shoes, found some off-brand duck boots, did not get them. Found these Adidas. I think they were $12.99 or $14.99. Got them because I'm getting a discount. Skip past those other men's shoes, nothing there. Swinging over to the ladies' shoes. And we found a few things today. $4 for this pair of Nike Reacts. And then that's $4 plus I get 20% off for the discount day. Pretty good pair. I always pick up these high top wedges just in case they might be Nikes. They were not. Found this pair of Teva sandals going into summer in just a couple months. So I'm pretty sure I can turn this $5 pair into a sweet $30 sale. Cruising down to go to the back of the store, found the kids' shoes, got this pair of Nikes, $5, kids size 4, a little dirty, but maybe we could flip that for a $15 or $20 sale, no problem. Found this pair of high top Chuck Taylors, grabbed them, $4, it's a win. I checked the soles, that's fake. Those are fake. Back to the shelf, they almost got me. This pair of Nike indoor soccer shoes, $5, but I don't have very good luck with those. I've only sold about 2 pairs of those in the past, and so I skipped this time. Looked at the athletic stuff, nothing there. Cruising back over to the back of the store. I hang out near the employee entrance a lot. Going back up to the ladies' shoes because oftentimes I will miss stuff. And here we are. Got a pair of Nikes. Paid, I believe, $4 for those. Oh, thank you very much. I'll save that and I'll make sure I call before I come in.
That'll help you out.
Yeah, no doubt. Thank you. That employee recognized me and brought me a cart of shoes to go through. Not much in here. We got a couple pairs of Vans, and then I saw these Ed Hardy low tops. I did not think much of them, and then I researched them when I got home and found out that they were actually worth some money. Got this pair of Nikes, snatched them both, tossed them in the cart. Looked at these white Nikes, but they wanted $15 for these, and there were no sold comps on eBay, so we put them back. Jumping over here, got this pair of Vans with no laces. However, I've always got extra laces laying around, so I grab them. Pushed the junk shoes aside and got on a roll. I found this leather jacket. It was 15 bucks. I got 20% off. That jacket has some pretty good comps. Okay. I wasn't sure if that was like as is and then.
No, yeah.
Okay. Cool. Perfect. That's what I need to hear. Thank you. I actually brought a bag today.
Okay.
A big bag. Yeah, I am ready. And I'm military too.
remember.
All right.
Remember I didn't get you last time.
Yeah.
I had to redo it. Yeah.
Had to redo the whole thing.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we got some stuff. Scored a leather jacket for $12 that I can sell for $55 to $60. That's what the sold comps for this exact jacket are. I got about 6 or 7 pairs of shoes, and I got this heater for my house. So my wife wanted another space heater. It's $20, and I got $4 off. So we locked that in for $16. Not bad. We've got this bag of stuff here. And we're done with store number 1. Total cost was $104. That being said, some of that was for personal stuff. Well, the heater, that was the personal thing. Listen, I want to take a moment right now to say thank you to all of you who have been sending me such kind comments, genuine comments about the One Hit Wonder series and how much you're enjoying it. Honestly, it was a huge like stab in the dark whether this would work out or whether people would find it interesting or not. I'm glad you guys are. I'm getting a lot of comments, DMs, everything. People talking about the footage, the premise, the idea behind it. Listen, this is the thing. I've made a decision to go full force into YouTube, and I am incredibly serious about it. I'm treating this like a career, like a business move, and I'm just super pumped to be able to make fun videos that are cool to me. You know, the idea of them are cool, and it's awesome to see other people finding value in that, finding these videos interesting. So just want to say thank you for all the comments. If you guys have suggestions, or if you know something that I don't, if I find an object or an item that I don't know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comments. Drop some knowledge, drop some value. Help out the reseller community. It's my goal to help as many people as possible create sustainable, scalable, home-based businesses around reselling. And we can all work toward that end if we just share a little bit of knowledge. All right, that being said, on to the next store. Let's get to the next store. All right, guys, we're here at the second stop for the day. This is another DAV thrift store. This is another DAV thrift store. I thrifted this store probably the last time about 1.5 years ago. And so here we are today, getting the work done, going to jump in the store, see what we can find, looking to get shoes, hoping to get 5 or 10 pairs. That would be really awesome. It would make the trip worth it. This is a 45-minute drive for me. So with that being said, let's jump in there and see what we can find in this store. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Attention shoppers, children must be attended while in the store at all times. You cannot let them roam around the store by themselves. Thank you.
All right, the last store of the day, store number 2. Found this pair of Nikes, threw them in the basket. Found this pair of Rika walking shoes in the basket. Found this pair of New Balances in the basket. Checked out the golf clubs, nothing there. Moving on down, found this pair of military boots, but they wanted $25 for them, so back on the shelf. Got this pair of Lakais for $8. Some pretty good sold comps coming up. Moving on down the road, found this pair of Nikes Youth, threw them in the basket. Found this pair of Nike Youth shoes, basketball shoes. Throw them in the basket. I think $4 for those. All right, guys, so we were able to lock in some stuff here. I found this pair of shoes called Lakai. If you're not familiar, you should get familiar. Lakai, maybe a Hawaiian brand or something. This is the logo on there. This shoe, I paid $8 for it, and they are selling $40 to $60 per pair on eBay. for good condition. The vintage stuff goes for over 100. I've got a few pairs of Nikes. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of shoes for $30.40 out the door. Not bad. Pretty solid profit there. And now we head home. Thank you guys for joining in on this video. I really appreciate you spending the time watching. I hope I brought value to you. I hope I shared a brand or two that you weren't already familiar with and that you can go sourcing in the days ahead, knowing more things to look for to make more profit. Thanks again. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and then I will see you on the next video.